Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So this morning I was talking about how the US dollar yen possibly ended an ABC correction. We still need to see this break right here to prove it, but to me this looks way more impulsive. It looks like a 1, 2, 3 that will break structure. It doesn't look like an ABC correction. And I would definitely continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be going short now, but I definitely would be looking to go short if I saw a nice little 1, 2, 3 way pullback like that, or a little 1, 2, 3 way pullback like this, or a little 1, 2, 3 way pullback like that. I would put my Fibonacci retracement on here and I would wait patiently for a one up, down, up again, some sort of an ABC pullback to one of these Fibonacci levels, and another engulfing move to the downside for another entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.